Hey guys, this is another episode of Chef Godwin, aka Oyoba Nungwaliwai. Let me take you on a journey of how I made my moment today. You fit to call her mama anyone, but I shall to wash my beans. Right now, I think I'm gonna need to apply for Guinness Book of Record because I want to wash beans for straight 200 hours non-stop. But this is the outcome of my beans side white. I actually give myself to the buzzer. But while I was doing that, my egg already dey fire the boy cause no time to waste. Now so I could begin dey blend my beans. So these beans actually stress my blender and no be small, but we shall move on. Yeah, next step, pepper. Could begin dey pick my pepper one by one. Then I could put am for inside blender together with my onion. Then I could blend everything together, my onion and my pepper together. Yeah, I have to shake the blender, shake as an African man, you know the matter now. So this is my beans when I don't already blend. Side smooth, side the white. Yeah, this is my egg. I cut it into smaller pieces and see pepper, man. The real definition of what that gender will show you. I'm not gonna mention it, but time for ingredients. I put my salt, I put my maggi, then I still put crayfish because I love crayfish so much. Then this is time for sardine. I put sardine. It's same thing as fish though, but yeah, my call her fish. After I don't put everything, I call the toner made for made for lolo, made everything for package way. I toner, then time for pepper. I call the turn my pepper put, turn my pepper put, turn my pepper put. Then I call the turn everything together, the pepper, all the ingredients, because I'm ready to go. I test her, it makes sense now. Give her like thumbs up, boza. Now I cut tongue and not to put for inside though. I can start to wash my leaf when they call a beer bar. I'm not so sure, but yeah. I swear this is the most interesting part of this video. Just watch the way I dey handle this leaf like a professional. Man, big shout out to my mom because she actually taught me how to do this. I know so many girls go to watch this video. They do. I wish I sabi. But here you go. I can begin to put my mom for inside. So I put one round of mom and I throw my egg for inside then put another round of mom. My uncle said boys that knows how to cook not the quit they marry. I don't know that not truth. I don't know that I don't want to make me see this single. But here you go. This is the outcome side the team finds. I wrap away. But this is the one I've done so far, and this is the remaining ones. Then I could put everything for inside pot, could put small water so that I make for boy come outside, and this is it. It already they done. Then yeah. This is my moment. Sad the color of fine for face. Jesus Christ. This moment fine pass some Benin guests. I not go mention them, but better say I be Gary lover. I can put sugar for one side, put salt for one side, make everything for Lele. Oh, thanks guys. Thank you for watching.